quick review of this espresso machine. Here's a quick look at the size. Pretty compact, perfect for small places. Pre-filled my funnel. I do have to use two hands to place it in, at least to lock it in place. So put the phone down for a second. All right, got the funnel in place. Had the machine on for a few minutes now, so it's already been preheated. For the video, I'm going to use my little mason cup. Two different sizes, single cup, double cup. In the funnel, I have the puck for a double. This is a single. All you do, once it's in place and preheated, select the correct size, and then the machine will fill up. We'll do an espresso pool. As you can see, really good pool. Pressure indicator. Don't know how accurate that is, but whatever it's worth, it's there. I haven't timed the pool, but I think it's about 27 seconds. And I'll just let that sit. And then we will go ahead, come over here. Turn the steamer on. That does need the preheat. This mug did not come with the machine, but I've had it from a previous espresso machine. Once that indicator light stops flashing, that means it's preheated and the frother is ready. Controlled by this lever here. So I'm going to insert the cup, turn the lever on. After about 1 minute, as you can see. So underneath the foam is some nice steamed milk, nice layer of foam on the top. Makes for a perfect drink. A little bit too small in the mason jar, but voila.
All right, so I just made one. I'm just gonna make another one for this video. I have my espresso grounds here. I have it all set. I'm gonna do the double espresso. Before, maybe 2 months ago, it started squirting, just randomly squirting out of this. Oh, there it goes now. Like, look at this. Look at this. It's not on, but you see this thing? It's like, the espresso makes it's working fine, but the espresso. But this thing is just, I don't know what's going on with it. But I put a cup there because it was squirting out, but now nothing comes out. But now today a little bit came out. But then I go, say I want to steam some milk. Wait for it. Okay, now it's ready. There's water in there. This is just, there we go. I got a little steam there. It's obviously there's something wrong with this. Like, look at this. It's just stuck in the down position. It won't like turn off. It won't turn on. But it does make good espresso. Hey, I love it. But this, I can't have steamed milk, steamed cream, froth. That's my review.